Welcome back to the channel. We are about done with step one here. Everything highlighted has been put on the model. As you can see, the little tiny tail lights, and there's I guess a rock guard or handle above it. And also fixed a hole in the hull where they, for some reason, just didn't mold that rectangle, so I had to cut it out of all 3 sheets of that I had to get the right thickness. You can see it worked out pretty well. Now I've got to deal with some photo etch. That little guy there, those 2 little strips go on that little fender. And that's where we're at. So I'm getting ready to do that. Wish me luck. Oh, by the way, can't say enough about this wax pencil. That's how I was able to pick up these small parts. I also did the jerry cans you can see in there. And the gas can is 3 parts, and I couldn't even hardly see them. They're so small. That's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Catch me next time.